How to fix login error in Klook application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data to connect to an internet connection that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of login errors, simply go to your settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Klook application. Simply tap on Show All, and you want to start scrolling until you see the application over here. Tap on Klook and tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login error. However, if you do face any kinds of error after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.